Welcome back to the channel, small ones. So in today's video we're going to be fitting the gas bonnet strut kit to our Mark II Leon Cupra R. As you may have seen previously, we have the standard bonnet prop which can get in the way of some bits and I don't really trust it. So this kit is from Andre Pneumatic Auto. This kit costs around £40 and it's definitely going to be a big help. So in this kit you get a pair of gas bonnet struts. You'll get the brackets to mount them to the bonnet and all the bits that you'll need. It's all the way from Russia. I'll add some instructions and a link to a forum post where you can actually get a discount on this and it takes about a week to arrive. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. Okay people, so the first thing you want to do is take off these two nuts here. Don't throw them away, we need the nuts and the washers. So next you want to grab your mounting bracket or mounting plate for the new bonnet strut. And you can see it's got these two bits where the nuts are going to go, and we're going to reuse the same nuts that we just took off. So you just line it up, pop the nut on there, don't tighten it too tight yet. You want to take your M8 bolt with this little ball head. You want to take your M8 washer and your nut as well. Just pop that through, like so, and then just put the washer and then the nut. Just tighten it by hand for now, just so it's there, just like that. So next you want to get your M6, which is the thinner one. You want this washer, so it's got the smaller hole and it's wider. And then you want to get the appropriate nut.
Falling.
We've got a really dodgy setup. And then the appropriate nut. So we're going to just go into this hole here, I believe. It's going to be this first hole, yeah? Not the second one. The second one is used to adjust your headlights. And you want to just get the nut on the other side. So the ball side over here just goes into it. So you just pop it in.
I think you've got to give it, yeah.
Press it on, and then the other side we'll do afterwards, because what we're going to do is we're going to do the other side, do the right hand side,
and then pop both.
yeah, and then we're going to need to lower the bonnet a little bit, and then we'll put both on at the same time.
You didn't see that.
We're just going to get our ratchet now that everything's lined up on where it needs to be, and we just tighten all of the nuts. Just hand tight will be fine, don't need to be super tight. So that's how to install the gas bonnet struts on one side. We'll do the other side, and then we'll just show you the final bit where we connect it, and we'll take the bonnet prop off and see how it goes. Alright people, so we're going to start with that side. Put that there for a sec. I'm just going to hold it. It's a little bit stiff, so maybe it loosens up over time. Just lift it, and it goes. It flexes a tiny bit from the plates, but it's not a big deal. I mean, you just push it down a little bit. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. In the next video, we're going to be removing the fuel pump and actually changing the internals on that. That's just going to allow us to get a lot more fuel pressure, and we're going to be fitting the Viz internals, very similar to the Auto Tech internals. So, we'll see you guys in the next video.